Good morning, children. We have done some question from polynomial of degree 3, in which we have done also some division, and we have gone through for finding some zeros if sum of the zero of the cubic of polynomial is given. Today we'll go for 2 or 3 questions related to that. Will be degree 4 polynomial, in which 1 or 2 degree would be given, 1 or 2 zeros would be given, and we have to find rest all the zeros. So in this situation, first you write one question: find all the zeros of polynomial px is equal to, find all the zeros of polynomial px is equal to x to the power 4 plus 4x cube minus 2x square minus 20x minus 15. If 2 of its 0 is given, if 2 of its 0 is given, root 5 and minus root 5. Root 5 and minus root 5. 2 zeros are given and rest all 2 zeros we have to find. So whenever we get this type of question, so we use a little here a factor theorem, as this is the 0, root 5 is a 0, so x minus root 5 will be the factor, and minus root 5 is 0, so x plus root 5 will be 0. So what we have to understand, if 0 is given, we can understand the factor, and if we are able to find the factor, that means we will divide the given polynomial by one of the factors or two of the factors, whatever the factors are given, so that the quotient will be factorized then to get rest it's all zeros. So in this situation, what we do, we take this is a factor and this is a factor, therefore product of these two factor will also be a factor of this polynomial. Given polynomial px is equal to x to the power 4 plus 4 minus 4x cube minus 2x square minus 20x minus 15. So what will be the process of writing this statement? We will write here, given px is equal to this, then we will write here, since plus minus root 5 are zeros of px, therefore x plus root 5 and x minus root 5 will be the factors, of px. Consequently we can write x minus root 5 into x plus root 5 will also be a factor of px, is a factor of px. What I told, I have taken this is a factor and this is a factor, these two are factor of given polynomial, so the product of these two factor will also be the factor of the given polynomial. So we use the same formula here. So we will write here, these two are, the product of these two will be the factor of the given polynomial, therefore x square minus 5 is a factor of px. Now we got this is the factor of px. Now what we do, we divide the given factor or given polynomial by this x square minus 5, and whatever will be the quotient, that will be also factorized to get rest of the 0. So now what I do, I divide the given px by x square minus 5. So simply we will divide it to get its quotient. So we will write here x square minus 5, and we are dividing x to the power 4 plus 4x cube minus 2x square minus 20x minus 15. We will write the quotient above. So here x square, here x to the power 4, here plus, so nice, no sign will be changed. So if you multiply this by x square, you will get x to the power 4. So you will write here x square. You will write here as quotient as x square, and you will multiply this x square to this divisor to get x to the power 4 minus 5x square. And simply we go for the process of division by changing the sign. After changing the sign, we get this cancellation, and this is not a like term, so it will be written as it is 4x cube minus, and minus or plus I don't know. This time we compare this and this. Plus is greater, so sign will be plus, and this is minus 2, this is plus 5, so it will be 3x square. And we can take this below as minus 20x if required. And now we compare this and this. This is plus 1, this is plus 4, so there here sign will be plus and 4 will be multiplied. And here x to the power 2 and here x to the power 3. So if you multiply this divisor by x, you will get x cube. So we will write here 4x. And now you will multiply this by 4x, so you will get 4x cube minus 5x, minus 20x. Now again we go for changing sign. So this will be cancelled and this will be 23x. This will be 3x square. 3x square, and this will be cancelled, and minus 15 as it has been taken down or dragged down. Now if you compare this x square by this x square, if you multiply this by plus 3, you will get 3x square, and 3 will be multiplied by minus 5, so you will get minus 15. Again sign will be changed, this both will be cancelled, and you got 0. Nothing is here to show. So now what I do, I write now px, this is our quotient, so we will write px is equal to x square minus 5 into x square plus 4x plus 3. This is our quotient, don't be confused, plus 3 as a product. Now what I do, we factorize this both in next part. So before that we write here, since px is equal to 0, so we will write here, since px is equal to 0, since px is equal to 0, therefore x square minus 5 into x square minus plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. You factorize this as x minus root 5, and it was also given x plus root 5. If you factorize it simply as you factorize, this become x plus 3 into x plus 1. So you will get 0. Now we are having 4 factor and the product is 0. Then either one of this will be 0. So we will write here x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus root 5 is equal to 0. This is x minus root 5. Or x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this we get x is equal to root 5. Here we get minus root 5. Here we get minus 3 or minus 1. So we have got these 4 zeros. Generally this type of question will come here for biquadratic polynomial or quadratic polynomial. There will not be any question related to relation between coefficient and zeros of the polynomial of degree 4. So this type of question can come only. So practice this type of question to find till 0. So this means if you are getting 1 0, you have to divide the given polynomial. If 1 0 would be given, then polynomial will be of 3 degree maximum. If 2 0 will be given, then polynomial would be given of 4 degree maximum. So now we take some more question from other part. So one question is given, find the 0 of the polynomial. Find the 0 of the polynomial. I hope this question also had been given sometimes in homework. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus x minus p into p plus 1. Some of children has asked also this question on WhatsApp to me. So suppose if it is given px is equal to like this, what I do, we factorize this. How do we factorize? We will go here for x square plus p plus 1 into x minus px minus p into p plus 1. So we will get here x square, x is common, and you will get x plus p plus 1 minus p will be common, x plus p plus 1. So you will get here x minus p into x plus p plus 1. So this both will be taken 0 as px is equal to 0. Since px is equal to 0, therefore x minus p into x minus x plus p minus 1 will be 0, p plus 1 0. So this will be 0 and this will be 0. So you will get x is equal to p or p plus 1 in negative sign. So this 2 will be our answer. One more question is given. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for which 2 is the 0 of px is equal to kx square plus 3x plus k, and 2 is a 0 of px. It is given. If 2 will be 0, then if you put this value in this, then value of polynomial becomes 0. So we will directly put, and we will put here p2 will be 0. Since 2 is a 0 of px, therefore p2 will be 0. Now you will put k into 2a square plus 3 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. You will get 4k or 1k. 5k is equal to minus 6 and k is equal to minus 6 by 5. We just take one more question from this type of. If one more thing to discuss with you children, don't leave any question again and again in each and every day. I am telling you, don't miss any question that is very important for you for the purpose of examination. One more thing, many children is having confusion regarding syllabus is to come or not. Don't think this time about that. This time you have your duty is to study. Don't concentrate on the other thing which can make you lazy. So this time, till time no information given, you understand your syllabus is not being changed. Whenever you get the this type of information, this part are omitted, then you will go for that omitted part to leave. Otherwise you have not to understand whether syllabus is being changed or not. Till time you are not getting proper information. Yes, pattern may be changed, that is another issue, but this is important to not be a lazy person, lazy student regarding these things. So we take another question and this question is given, a polynomial is given with as px is equal to x cube minus 6x square minus x plus 30, and it is given alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of this polynomial. You have to find the value of alpha beta, beta gamma or gamma alpha without finding its 0 or with finding its 0. If you go to find the 0, it will be little tough because you have to factorize it by heat and trial method. This may be possible, this polynomial cannot be factorized by you easily. So in this situation we go for the process. This is given sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time, and our formula is for this as C by A. So we will go directly here. Here C is given -1 and A is given 1. So it will be -1 by 1. This will be -1. C by A means coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. So I am leaving it today till here only. You practice more and more practice, more confusion. If you get more confusion, you will ask more question. If you ask more question, you will be able to do your question properly. So try to do your best without any hesitation, without any laziness. Also take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Stay safe with your study properly. This is only the way you can grow. Thank you. Take care.